about doing stuff. Today we're going to be making some chicken salad, but first we got to smoke the chickens. Got this recipe out of Myron Mixon's book. He actually says to boil the chickens in chicken broth and then cut them up and put them in the chicken salad. But I found if you smoke the chickens, it gets a little bit of that smoky flavor in the chicken salad, and it's really good. So all we're going to do to prepare these today is we are going to take a little bit of this cooking string here, and we're just gonna, I like to tie the legs together. Looks better. I don't know if it tastes better, but it makes it look better in the end product. So I just wrap it around here a few times, come back up through like so, and just cinch that up. Then you can take and tie the two ends together like so. You just take that end and just shove it down inside there. Then what we're going to do is take some of our just regular canola oil cooking spray and just coat the outside of these. That just helps, I found it helps the skin crisp up a bit. Not that it's going to really matter because we're not going to use it, but there again it'll look better. We're putting some of this kickin' chicken Weber seasoning on it. You don't have to go real heavy with it, just good light coat. There again, I don't know how much of this actually penetrates the skin, and probably not a lot, but it makes it look better, makes me feel better, so I do it. So that's how we get it ready. You can watch my other chicken video for when I'm eating them, I stuff them and stuff, but for doing this I just do it real simple. So we're going to do these other two, and then we're going to get these other two ready, then we'll go out to the grill and I'll show you out there us putting them on the grill. Guys, so you can see we've got the birds all seasoned up. You might wonder why I have 3 birds. The recipe only calls for 1. I like to cook 2 or 3 when I do it. My wife makes some soup with them and some other stuff with it. I figure as long as we've got the smoker going, we just as well put 3 on there. So we're going to get these on here. We're running this at, let's see, I like to keep these kind of away from the heat a bit. So we're going to put these over here, this one this way, and then we're going to put our temp probe in the breast on this one. And we're going to let that run. Probably, usually from my experience, it usually takes about 2.5 to 3 hours at 250 with most chickens. Sometimes a little shorter, sometimes a little longer, just the way it goes. We're just smoking them with the competition blend pellets, and so we're going to let that roll, and we'll get back to you when we check on them next. Alright guys, so these have been on about 3.5 hours. I'm going to take a look at them. Internal temperature of them is at 160. Should carry over 5 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and pull these off. I'm just going to put them in the refrigerator for tonight, and then in the morning we'll go ahead and get them sliced up and show you how we make that chicken salad sandwich. Chicken's done. We let them rest, then we put them in the fridge overnight. So they're pretty cool. We should be able to pull it off the bone pretty easy. We only need 1 of these for our recipe. So I'm going to move these others out of the way, and then I'll show you what we do to make our chicken salad. Okay, so cut that string off. Just pull these off here. I don't want the skin in our chicken salad, so we're just going to pull that off as well. Okay guys, so in this bowl I've got our chicken salad, and I'll put the recipe in the description, but I didn't want to bore you with cutting this all up and everything because it takes some time. So it's got pecans in there, apples, eggs, 8 eggs, a couple cups of mayo, some sweet pickle relish, and right before we eat it we'll add some seedless grapes. But I don't like to do that. We're not going to eat till this afternoon. I like the rest of it to sit in the fridge. It helps the flavors all blend together. But as far as the grapes, if they sit in there too long, they get kind of soft and not good. So we're just going to cut our chicken up, put it in there, we'll mix it up, and then I'll bring you back when we put the grapes in. I'll show you our final product. The chicken, you just want to make it kind of small. Just cut it up like so. Throw it in there. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of this cut up, and then we'll bring you back and show you how we finish it up. Okay, so we got our chicken cut up and put in here. Just going to mix this all together. Like I say, the grapes, you don't want to put them into just before you eat. They'll keep a little while, but they don't keep a long time. Just mix that up good. I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper to it. Well, I like quite a bit of pepper, so we're going to add a lot of pepper to it. Some salt. Just to where you like the taste of it. Just taste it and see when you like it. I know about what I like, so I know where to put it in, but everybody's different. Okay, and that's it. Like I say, I'll put the exact recipe down in the description, and you can find it there. If you want to do this, which if you do it, you'll probably never eat another chicken salad in your life that tastes better than this. We just got to put the grapes in there right before we're ready to eat this afternoon, and we'll be all set. Okay, so we got our chicken salad done. Got the grapes put in it. Salt and pepper in there. It's time to try this out. My wife made some homemade buns to put it on. See that? Let's try this. It's good stuff. That's the best chicken salad I've ever had. Make it this way, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.